Hi guys, welcome to my channel and first method come to this www.gigabyte.com. Come to this website. This is the Gigabyte officially website. Then click to see here the search button. Then type your model number of your motherboard B550M DSL3H ACR2 and then hit enter. Okay, and then seek an product. And click on see this is motherboard. So guys, then click to support. Select your operating system that is using Windows 10, 11 if any use, but installations process same. Okay, select. After that you can see audio driver. You just click to download. Then it is downloaded. Just single click to open and double click to exe and then click to yes. Now this is extracting and now this is installing. So it automatic close means this is install. Chipset. So AMD APU driver, AMD chipset driver. So download this one. It is downloading. Okay, it is done, and just single click and double click to open. And then yes. Now this is installing. You can see software, AMD chipset driver with version. Then it is closed. It is done. LAN driver. So you can see this is LAN driver. And just click to download. And just single click to open and double click to exe file. Now click into yes. Now this is the LAN driver it is installing. So it is closed means this is installed. Then you can see this is Bluetooth driver. BT means Bluetooth driver. You just click to download. It is completed. Open this file. This is WinRAR file and double click on exe. Then give administrator rights. Click on yes and Bluetooth driver like this install. So it is completed. Then last Wi-Fi and click on. So it is completed. Then double click to open Wi-Fi and then yes. So it is done and close